So friends, today we are going to start with second topic from principles of plant life, diffusion. Diffusion means to disperse, means to disperse in all directions of molecules from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration. This process of diffusion in plant life, it is basically involved in water absorption and ascent of sap phenomena. Similarly, in the process of transpiration. So all these major physiological phenomena in plant life, they are basically working on the principles of diffusion. Now we can define diffusion. It is the movement of molecules, that is solid, liquid or gases, from their higher concentration to their lower concentration until the equilibrium is maintained. Means there is a movement of molecules from higher concentration to lower concentration until for both sides the concentration of molecules becomes equal, that is equilibrium. And if there is a difference in the concentration of the two sides, then the process of diffusion of molecule will continue. That is the simple definition. Then for example, when we dissolve copper sulfate molecules in water, then that copper sulfate particles slowly dissolve in the water, for example in beaker, and entire water in the beaker initially it becomes green colored. Second example we can cite here, the essence sticks. We know when we burn the essence sticks at one corner of the room, then we feel the essence of that essence stick from all corners of the room after some time. So what it means, that essence of that essence sticks diffuses from that one corner of the room into the all corners of the room. So it is also an example of diffusion. Third example, when we put the sugar molecules or sugar into the beaker containing water, then that sugar dissolves in that water, and the entire water in that beaker from at all corners it becomes sweeter because sugar molecules are diffused into the water equally. Then how this process of diffusion takes place? It is the mechanism. How this mechanism of diffusion takes place. First, the molecules of diffusing particles show constant movement in the medium. Means that movement of molecules of the diffusing particles, they show a continuous movement in that medium where the process of diffusion continues. Then the ions diffuse from the region of higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. For example, in water medium, when we put the sugar molecules, then the sugar molecules or sugar molecule ions diffuse from their region of high concentration to region of lower concentration. The diffusing molecules move randomly towards all region. So there will be no a specific way or specific path through which the molecules will diffuse, but they will be diffuse or move randomly in all directions into the medium. The direction of the movement of one substance is independent of another substance. For example, in the medium, if two or more types of diffusing particles are present, then the rate of diffusion of one particle molecules will be independent of molecules of another diffusing particles. The rate of diffusion is directly proportional to the kinetic energy and concentration of diffusing particles. Means the diffusing particles and concentration, their concentration, it affects the rate of diffusion. If the diffusing particles are highly concentrated, the rate of diffusion will be higher. Or if the diffusing particles have high kinetic energy, the rate of diffusion will be higher. So this is very simple technique or simple method of diffusion which is happening in nature, and it is also happening in plant life. Next point, ये बंद करे दे. Factors affecting diffusing particles or diffusion. First factor is temperature. So temperature affects the rate of diffusion directly. So increase in temperature increases the rate of diffusion. Second, concentration of diffusing particles. Higher the concentration of diffusing particles, the rate of diffusion will be maximum or higher. So concentration is directly proportional to the rate of diffusion. Third factor, chemical nature of diffusing particles. It is observed that the chemical nature of diffusing particles affect differently on the rate of diffusion. If the diffusing particles are either acidic, alkaline, then rate of diffusion will be different in acidic or alkaline solutions. Fourth factor, diffusion pressure gradient, DPG. Increase in diffusion pressure gradient increases the rate of diffusion. Means the diffusing particles, if their pressure gradient is increased on them, then the rate of diffusion is observed to be higher. Then next point is importance of this process of diffusion in plants. So why this diffusion process is to be studied? What is its importance? What is the role of this diffusion process in the life of plants? First importance is that the passive salt absorption in plants, it takes place because of phenomena of diffusion. Means when the water is absorbed by the process of osmosis, that is the osmosis pressure gradient, and it is observed that indirectly the salts are also enter or they also diffuse into the root cells. So the salts are passively absorbed inside the roots. So this passive absorption of salts is because of diffusion. So this is a very important role played by this diffusion in absorption of salts by the plants. Secondly, the translocation of food from short distance is carried out by diffusion. The translocation of food, for example, food which is produced in the mesophyll cells, then from mesophyll cells that food is transported or translocated to the phloem tissue for short distance, and this happens because of phenomena of diffusion. Third function or importance of diffusion is the transpiration. In transpiration, the gases exchange, that is O2 or CO2 exchange, is due to, which happens due to transpiration or due to diffusion, because we know during the daytime CO2 is absorbed or diffuses into the leaf cells for photosynthesis, and the oxygen which is released by photolysis of water, that oxygen diffuses from the leaf cell into the atmosphere. So these gases like CO2 and oxygen, they are exchanged within plant or outside the plant body is because of diffusion. So this is what we have about the diffusion.